Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Peck from Second Nature Outdoor. Tomorrow I will be going out to the Cape again with doing inshore kayaking. It's just the four of us. We'll see who bailed out tomorrow, but we're gonna do fishing, camping. So whatever we catch, we're gonna cook fresh at the campsite. We're gonna chill. We're gonna have a great time. Please enjoy the video. Let's check it out.
Bạn là thông chọn sai dư và đây bây giờ đây ở đây tiên mà bạn ở đây. Oh shit! Oh, he's done. He's gone. Này. Oh, ui, what the?
You coming in? You going in or going out?
Going out again.
Oh, I was gonna say, did you try it out there?
There's a lot of people out there that are catching.
They're catching. How about you?
Yeah, I got a keeper back.
Nice. All right. Right. All right, guys. Welcome to the channel. Second Nature Outdoor. About to do it again. So, got in a little late. Right now it's what? 7:30. The tide's gonna be around 9 o'clock. That's when I think everything should be good. But it's beautiful though. Crystal clear. This is a new setup. I've been wanting to try this outrigger. It's not a perfect time to do it because the water is crystal calm, pretty calm. Hopefully everything will be good, as it should be, right? But then again, it's fishing, so we'll see. Check you out at the spot. Tight line, baby, tight line. You can't beat that view. Railblazer. This thing is awesome. Just gotta keep on moving. Yeah, maybe. Look like it. Might be. He took the whole thing in, man. Yeah. Ôi da, mùi đi vậy. Trong cái lên khăn anh này. Cắt toàn leo sân ho ha căng trầy. Cắt trầy khăn những chả ấy. Oh, for sure. Come on, keep it, brother. Đây, sừng nang à. Sừng nang à, anh đặt xài. Có mấy em vào đó. Có mấy ốc đi bị lôi trao đó. turn around, man. Okay. We got one keeper. Exactly 16 and a quarter. Leave me in my quarter ng tiyan na. Alright. You see that? My rod just dropped. Lucky we have this. Could have lost about $400 right there. Oh, dude. Look what he spit out. And I don't know what the hell that is. Look like a snapper. Baby snapper. Might be a keeper. Yeah. I feel like a keeper. So is everything else, right? Oh, double. That's why. Double. One of them is a keeper. Yeah. They're on fire. Too small. Oh, he took my tail. The tie has changed. Camera rolling. That's a fluke. Small one though. Tiny 16 and a half. Can we take 16 and a half? Can somebody say 16 and a half? Okay. Good. Let's see. Feel good. Feel good. Feel like a bump head. It is a bump head. Grobat. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, that's a keeper.
All this time we've been together, thought a thing would last forever. Through thick and thin, good or bad, all I was happy, never sad. Now it's all gone sour, getting worse by the hour. Let's break up, not make up, you say. You've broken my heart, simply torn it apart. But before you depart, there's just one thing I gotta say. Just enough for a heartbeat, woman. Enough for a heartbeat. Give me just enough for a heartbeat, baby. For a heartbeat. Leave me just enough for a heartbeat, woman. doesn't rain, but it pours, baby. You've taken the best spot, so ask for the rest of my heart, baby, baby. Leave me just enough for a heartbeat, woman, enough for a heartbeat. Leave me just enough for a heartbeat, baby. Please, baby, leave me just enough for a heartbeat. With a beat in my heart, I can learn to play the part again. With a beat in my heart, don't you know that I'll be your friend? With a beat in my heart, I can make it till tomorrow. With a beat in my heart, I won't feel no sorrow. A heartbeat, woman, enough for a heartbeat. Give me just enough for a heartbeat, baby. Just for a heartbeat. Leave me, baby. Enough for a heartbeat. Leave me just enough with a beat in my heart.
Yes. Which one? The
little gas one.
yes, I do.
Okay, yeah.
The smaller bed, I tell you that.
So, young ginger, you just slice it. You just want the flavor. And cilantro roots,
Yeah.
the white end of the green onions,
Green onions,
and garlic.
garlics.
Then we're gonna add in some sugar once it starts boiling. Add in some sugar into it.
Can you show me what that is?
Yep. One. Put the whole thing.
Might as well. It's only one night. The least you bring back, the better. Nice.
Right there. It's already seasoned.
Yeah.
I like to add more.
Yep.
A lot of flavor. A lot of flavor is gonna be going into this.
Captain Skunk didn't watch my video yet. His face was in there. Got you famous in there. At the campsite now, and it's really nice. So chef from Fish Cooks and Eats is about to do his thing again. So I'm gonna record him, and at the same time,
Go ahead. Dish number one
dish number one,
is gonna be steamed flounder. Fluke.
fluke,
Steamed fluke.
about the size of a flounder.
It was.
Just the legal limit, 16 and a half. Out of nowhere that thing came. But hey, we're having dinner.
See that crack like
Yeah?
when I was heading out, they cook it like nothing.
Oh,
Ôi nó mặn vào đời.
just us three right now today. We got one person bail out. Always somebody trying to bail out.
I'm not mentioning no name, but I think
I'm
it's
not-
something like Nelson.
yeah. Is that his name? That's his name. Something like that.
Something like Nelson.
I don't know. But then again, we'll put it. We'll put his face on YouTube. Just like Captain Skunk.
มสมเปื้อเอ้ยแนงจีสะใสจะได้มองหรือใสเธอเชียเมบา
Ready?
You sure that shit didn't he? I threw mine away bigger than that.
Look under.
No, it was 16 and a half.
Hell no, I
I
ain't.
promise you. When he opened his
I
mouth,
threw mine
they
bigger than that, man.
Yeah, you didn't measure it right. My scale is perfect. Your scale might be too big.
I don't know, man.
Believe me. Believe me.
I don't know. It does look kind of like it.
It does look small, but it is like 16 and a half.
Breakfast.
So we're gonna steam the fluke and the black sea bass. I'm not cooking, Rima. I don't know that deep, but this guy definitely make it tasty. It's gonna be tasty, especially with that sauce that he just made.
Think maybe put the two of them together.
Yeah,
Make it faster.
let's see. Yeah, leave it
Yeah,
like that.
Yep, there we
Yeah,
go.
that'll work.
Hey, there we go.
Yep. I try to look for this thing at Market Basket. They don't have anymore. It's always sold out.
Yeah, it is.
I want to grab it.
If I see one, I grab it.
Yeah.
If I see it, I just grab it.
It's good to have one. Small enough. That one is all right, but it's not. Sometimes it's not that strong. Just to get the fishery smell out. And on top of it, it's good to eat.
Oh, it's very good.
Very healthy.
Yeah. You're gonna like the ending. So the ending, it's gonna be, I'm gonna boil oil.
Yeah.
And we're gonna pour it on top of it.
Wow.
No, smell that. You gotta smell that.
My oh my.
Alright, so first we're gonna do, we're gonna.
Ooh, we got egg too. Vô mắt. Mày cùng chục món đấy.
Look at the.
Okay.
That. Ooh, white flesh. Look at. Oh yeah. Okay, some more puns. This is appetizer.
Appetizer.
That's appetizer.
Raw. Just 3 of us. Look at this. Look at the meals.
We get
Fresh catch. A few hours ago. You cannot beat this.
bro. This looks like restaurant food.
It is. It is. And it tastes probably better.
I got more sauce ready.
Yeah, let's pour that baby up.
Pour it on there. There you go. No, this is pour. This pour the whole thing. I got more sauce. No, you mean I bet a lot.
Ooh, it's still hot.
You know what? We are gonna enjoy our dinner because we worked so hard for it. 6 hours of fishing. Well worth it. Well worth it, right? Well worth it. How's dinner?
Amen.
How's dinner, brother?
Dinner's delicious.
Uh-huh.
Very good. I am shocked that it tastes like this.
Brother, I tell you, you're gonna love dinner.
Oh. This is dinner, right?
Yeah, that's the dinner.
Tôi mua sao nữa nha. 14.5 sao nữa.
It looks like it. It looked like it.
Anh nhìn vô đấy à? Khơi quả nó bên đây tranh cho ai? I know I measure mine. Because I know they might gonna come and ask. I don't want that. I'm ready.
What do you want? Like,
What's that?
yeah, let's go
Wow,
one
no,
more.
no,
One
yeah.
more. Let's go one more. Let's go one more. Food is good. You gotta have some
Good friends.
good friends.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's a little difficult. Oh, it's black sea bass, right?
Yep, the black sea
Oh.
bass. Some live.
Good Lord. When did we start doing this? We should do this more often.
I'm telling you, that's what the channel's all about, brother.
Cheers đi nha.
It is.
Thanks for the food. Good times.
Good time.
Every time we go somewhere, I swear, you, me, Bong D, Bong Mike, always cooking, making sure we eat good.
You just left. Look at that. Can't get more a Pol Pot than this. បងប្អូនចង់ញ៉ាំត្រីអាំងទេស្ទូចបាន5ម៉ោងពីមុនណាប្រេះប្រេះហ៎ខ្មែរយើងគេហៅប្រេះប្រេះ Just kidding, it's fresh. It's the best way to go.
Can't go wrong.
Yeah, the one on the left looked pretty awesome. The right one
Looks better. I look way better.
lightning rồi. All right, this is a fresh fish.
Look at that.
Caught 5 hours ago. Wow. Yes, sir. You the open, you pluck. Wow, look at that. À nè.
Rồi xài.
Chơi bạn. Đã xả mới đó. Xả mới.
Vô play.
Chân luôn hả?
oven roasted scab. Damn.
Good shit, right? มาตะบอลกับมวย
เตาเอ้ย
เตาไอ้รถตอน
I don't know where but I gotta go